Good morning, students of class 10. Welcome to the first video in history. We are doing the first chapter, The Rise of Nationalism in Europe. It says in 1848, Frederick Sorry, a French artist, had prepared a series of 4 prints, and in a dream he visualized the world made up of democratic and social republics. In his first print, he shows the people of Europe and America, men and women of all ages and social classes, marching in a long line and offering homage to the Statue of Liberty. During the French Revolution, liberty was personified as a female figure called allegory, which we will do later. In one hand, she bears the torch of enlightenment, and in the other, the Charter of the Rights of Man. Sorry also portrays the symbol of absolutist institutions which were destroyed. Now, what do you mean by absolute institutions? It means a government or a system of rule that has no restraints on the power exercised. It can be termed as a dictatorship or monarchical form of government that was centralized, militarized, and repressive. He also has a vision of a utopian society. What is a utopian society? It is a vision of a society that is so ideal. But students, this ideal society is not likely to exist in today's world. He goes on to mention the different countries like the United States, Switzerland, who were already nation states, France, and Germany. At that time, Germany was not a nation state. It was divided into a number of principalities, and the people of Germany wanted to unite these German-speaking principalities into a nation state. Then you have the people of Austria, the kingdom of the 2 Sicilies, Lombardy, Poland, England, Ireland, Hungary, and Russia. In this chapter, you will come to know about the sweeping changes in the political and mental world of Europe. The nation state was the end result of such changes. For a long time, the concept and practices of a modern state was developing in Europe. It means that the state, which had a centralized power and exercised sovereign control over a clearly defined territory. A nation state, on the other hand, is one in which the majority of its citizens, including its rulers, came to develop a sense of common identity and shared history or descent. This commonness was the result of struggles, protests, sacrifices, action of leaders, and most importantly, the action of the common people. This is the first part of the video. Now, students, if you do not understand any term here, you are free to call me at any time. Now, there are some instructions. You have been given work to do. Copy all the question answers, MCQs, and very short answer questions and answers all in your fair book. Do not divide your notebook in two parts. Copy one after the other, whether it is history or whether it is political science. Complete this and call me and tell me whether you have completed your work. Thank you.